So I don't have access to the bottom of my stairs, so I was left with having to fix them from only the top side. So basically, after a lot of YouTube searching, I couldn't figure out what to do. The original stairs, as you can see, were a hardwood plank on top of the subfloor, basically. I don't think I have stringers in the middle, only on the sides, so I wasn't able to just screw them through the center. However, I decided to just try my best to just stick them through the sides. I actually tried a few things. You can see I'm going to do a little bit of stair repair because I wasn't able to pry the hardwood top off a lot of them, but that's another story. Basically, as you can see right here, I tried putting screws through the top into here. That didn't really do anything. I tried putting screws into the sides right here at an angle. That did a little bit, but honestly not a whole lot. I then tried putting screws into the center to try to hold, because you can see this is a little bit of a nail that's sticking through. So I was hoping to use some screws inside there to kind of hold it down. Also didn't really work that well. I don't know if you can see here, there's a little bit of a shim that I stuck in there, as well as this one I stuck a little bit of shim in there. All those kind of helped a little bit, but the biggest thing that I've just found was actually holding the riser to the stringer board on the side by taking these just like 3.5 or 3 1/8 inch nails and just putting them at an angle, right like that, to the side, so holding the riser basically to the stringer. So that seems to be the best so far. Like, they're pretty squeaky now. I don't know if you can hear that, but basically it's only just my footsteps. I don't know if you can hear the last few steps, or I haven't actually done anything yet. They have a little bit of a squeak, so I will be doing this for the rest of the stairs. Down on the lower steps, where it isn't stripped down to the bare riser, I have a little bit of trouble because there's this, what is it, like 5mm plywood kind of backing. So basically the screw has to punch through that and then get into the riser at the correct angle. So what I've been doing is I'll put the screw in straight like this and then turn it until it gets to, until I feel it start to pull into the bare riser, and then I'll back it out a little bit, just enough to where I can twist it around while it's still behind the 5mm backer board, and then I push it in. No need to go fast, just slow and steady. Kind of do the same thing with the bare riser. Basically, just get it started into the bare riser like this, and then it doesn't have a lot of play, so I'll back it out slightly. Just a couple turns and then swing it around. If you back it out too much, actually I think this is backed a little bit too much, it'll be, the screw will pop out pretty easily. So you want to make sure it has, like, I would say 1.5 maybe rotations of thread into the actual hole. See, like this just kind of falls out. Honestly, for this long kind of screw, you honestly want to see a slight bend in the screw where you're pushing between the lever of the wood and your drill, and then drive it in. And for this riser, it seems like it doesn't actually, this is an impact driver, and it doesn't actually have that impact hammer sound until the very end. can see, it's pretty smooth until the very end. I actually had to pull this bottom screw out that I started with and put in the top because I think it went through a gap in the stringer because it was just spinning freely. But yeah, that's basically it. Just to show this actually works, you can see this is the riser for the stair that I did, and for this one, kind of hear a squeak. Some kind of squeaks. This one that I did. You don't hear anything? Nothing. Whereas before, you can definitely hear this one squeaking.